Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Norton and going straight to backup, then restore. Do not detour. Authenticate if the backup is in the cloud and connect any external drive. Once connected, locate the specific backup set and confirm the timestamp and size so you restore the correct snapshot. Make sure there is enough free space on the target disk before proceeding. Then select the backup and click the initial restore action to stage files for the detailed selection step. Now select whether you want a full system restore or only particular files and folders. This choice affects time and disk usage. Choose the destination, restore to the original location to preserve paths, or to an alternate folder to avoid overwriting. Make overwrite rules explicit, replace, skip, or keep both. Set advanced options like preserving permissions and timestamps, and enable pre/post actions if needed. Once configured, finish by validating the restored data. Open critical files, compare sizes and dates, and run the apps that rely on them. If you restored system files, reboot the machine to complete file replacements. Once back, make sure antivirus and startup items are enabled. Resync any cloud services and perform a quick disk check. If things go wrong, run Norton Repair and re-index the backup catalog. That one troubleshooting step often resolves missing entries or restore failures. Then retry the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.